Hello friends. In this podcast we are going up to discuss about a very important gas which has very high importance commercially also, and this gas is methane. Methane is traded worldwide at huge volumes and it usually travels the sea in vessels like this shown in the image of this podcast in the form of liquefied natural gas or LNG. These ships can hold around 1,30,000 meter cube and carry LNG at frigid minus 162 degrees Celsius temperature. To maintain that temperature, each of those giant orange carbs has a thick layer of insulation between the outside air and the cryogenic fluid inside. Natural gas is a mix of gaseous fossil fuels, hydrocarbons, containing between 70 and 95% methane CH4. Burning CH4 or methane emits less carbon dioxide per joule of heat than with coal, oil, or gasoline, but it uses as a fuel or as a feedstock for hydrogen production are still major source of CO2 emissions worldwide. A company called Greyforce is looking to sidestep CO2 in the use of methane. It uses high energy plasma to split CH4 into H2 and solid carbon. That H2 could then be used as a low carbon fuel or chemical feedstock. Greyforce is not alone. The startups Monolith and C0 are also developing methane pyrolysis, as is the chemical giant BSF. So, friends, in this podcast we are discuss about the commercial importance of methane, and for that purpose methane is transported worldwide in giant ships. Thank you to listening this podcast. In the next podcast, we are learning some important chemistry tips, tricks, or information. Thank you. Do not forget to visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.blogspot.com, or also join our Telegram channel Chemistry Notes Info to get chemistry notes, PDFs, videos, podcasts, and all chemistry information. Thank you to listening this podcast.